Right now, I'm going to show you how to use the hose attachment here on the Bissell Turboclean. So one of its cool features is that in addition to being upright cleaner, it also has an attachment here, and you can just use it as like a spot carpet cleaner. So you'll get this goodie bag here, and here you get the little cleaner here that's inside the cleaner stick. And then you also get this hose attachment here. So here on the front of the carpet cleaner, you have this plastic cover here. So you're just going to get a finger or two under there. You're going to flip it open. And now you can attach your hose here. Here you have a port. There's a little button down in here, which actually might come in handy. So if for some reason you're not getting water that's spraying out, you can take a pin or a pencil or something, a pin, and just push down on that. And it releases like this little spring-loaded pin down there, and it will let water start flowing. So just keep that in mind if you're ever not getting water, you might want to try that. So now here we have our attachment here. So here is the nozzle that needs to go in that hole that I just spoke about. So what we're going to do is we're just going to line it up here, and then you will just press straight down and it snaps in place. When you want to take it off, you'll just push that button and release it there. Now with that in place, we have our hose and wand attachment here. So what you'll do is you'll pull on this trigger down here, and that'll spray water and cleaning solution out of the sprayer here. So you will set it up just like normal if you were using it like an upright carpet cleaner. So the clean water reservoir you'll fill with water and everything in cleaning solution, and then put it back where it belongs. It does have a nice long hose on it, so this is great because now you can get upstairs, lots of furniture, upholstery inside your car, different things like that. And it's got a nice long hose, which makes it very convenient. It's very simple. You'll turn your carpet cleaner on, you'll pull the trigger, spray water out of the nozzle there and cleaning solution onto the spot that you want to work. And then using the bristles on the head attachment, you're going to scrub that stain or that spot you're working. And this will help get that cleaning solution down into the fibers of the carpet. Then when you're ready, you will push the head of the vacuum down into the carpet and then pull it back. And this is going to extract the stain and the water liquid along with it. And then you're just going to continue that process. You'll spray, you'll scrub, you'll extract, and just do that until you are satisfied with how clean the spot came. In my experience, about 2 or 3 times is kind of the magic number. Then when you're all done and you're really satisfied with your spot, what I like to do is clean out the hose. And for that, I would just vacuum up a bowl of warm water. It doesn't have to be warm. I just prefer warm water. Just vacuum up a bowl with a couple cups of water in it. And this will rinse out any dirty, nasty stuff that got into the hose of your cleaner. And then you'll just empty out the dirty water reservoir. And that's it. That's how you use the hose attachment for the Bissell Turboclean. If you want a complete tutorial on how to use this carpet cleaner, I suggest you check out this video next. If you like carpet cleaners and house cleaning and stuff like that, check out some other videos. My name is Drew. I'll see you in the next one.